Dun, dun, dun. Sweet, sweet pranks. You know what? I think I started a prank war. Or who started a prank war? Was it me or was it Isaiah? I don't know, but I think we have a prank war within our midst. You guys already know what I'm about to do. Isaiah texted me probably like 10 minutes ago saying that he's on his way home. So I'm going to quickly set up these little things in the bathroom. So I'm gonna set it on the rim of the toilet. And he always uses the bathroom like when he comes home, I guess. I mean, does everybody else do that? I do that, I think. So he's going to use the bathroom, I know definitely sometime today. So hopefully it's not too long. So I'm going to, like I said, set up the little firework thingies on the toilet, and we're going to catch his reaction. So I'll see you guys downstairs. Alright guys, so I am in the bathroom and I am ready to set these things up. So I'm going to take them out of the little box. So let's see. Alright, so I have them here. I don't know how many to put. Okay. Just gonna put them all around the border of the toilet. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, that might all these are on one as well. Oh my god! Oh, there's another. So that was out. Hopefully none of them pop like the thing. Same down. Alright, I think this is enough. One more good look. Okay. So all lined up. Put it seat down. Gently. Ah, some of them fell. Whatever. It's not noticeable. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys know when he gets home. Also, side note, I've been looking around to see where I can put the camera. I'm going to put it up here on this little rack. I'm gonna angle it so it's straight to the toilet. Oh, this is so right about there. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna put it up there, and I'm gonna I have like a little vlogging stick. I don't know if you see it, this thing. So I'm gonna stretch it out, and hopefully I can cover it up with a towel or something. I'm pretty sure I can do that, and he will notice. So smash that like button if you're ready, and smash that like button if you are Team Junies all day, every day. Woo woo! All right, guys, I just heard his car. He's coming. Woo! Yes, 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 yes. He's here. He's here. Look at that. Shh, Boo. Don't ruin this prank for me. All right, let me hurry up and set this camera up.
What the f was that?
Are you okay?
I think you blew my eardrum out. What the hell is that?
Tito Blooper's crying. Oh my god.
Yo, don't you think it's a little too late for 4th of July shit? Like, I haven't seen these in years. Look, and these didn't even pop. What the hell?
Did I get you good?
I almost shat myself, but yeah. What the hell is wrong with you? Where's the camera?
Got that ass, got that ass, oh, got that ass, got that ass, oh, got that ass.
Man, that's what you get. That's
on.
2 pranks in 1 week. It's funny, right?
No.
It's funny, right? It's funny, right?
Such a stupid ass. Alright guys, so sorry for filming a different outro and a different outfit. I did this prank on him yesterday and for some reason the camera didn't get the footage of our outro, so I'm going to redo it now. So we do want to give our post notification shout out to our friend Little Mickey. His name is Michael Randolph. We love you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I feel like we say the same thing over and over again in all of our videos, but we do appreciate you guys so freaking much. So with that being said, if you would like a shout out, you have to have our post notifications turned on. You have to spam up our comments and like all of our videos. And just show some love, just like we show you guys love with these shout outs. I hope you guys are having a good day and we love you. Bye.